Welcome to this month's Slime Sunday. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute unicorn slime. For your slime you need a half a tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of contact solution, a mixing bowl, mixing stick, silver glitter, an 8-ounce bottle of glue, a jar, small faux flowers, glitter foam sheets, scissors, your glue gun, and black paint. Add the entire bottle of glue to a bowl. Add the baking soda and stir. Add your contact solution and continue stirring until slime forms. Add the glitter and use your hands to knead the slime until it's reached the desired consistency. To decorate the jar, cut a horn out of glitter foam and adhere it to the lid of the jar. Cut 2 small triangles from white material and 2 smaller triangles from the pink material and glue them onto the white ears. Glue your flowers to the lid to create a flower crown. Use your black paint to add eyes and lashes to the jar and let it dry. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.